Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Odometer 3351 Sport Comp Mechanical Transmission Temperature Gauge. This high-performance gauge is designed with traditional incandescent lighting that elegantly illuminates the dial's perimeter, ensuring clear visibility in any condition. Engineered with Odometer's race-proven mechanical instruments, it offers trusted accuracy and is a breeze to install, making it a perfect fit for both street and race vehicles. One of its standout features is that it requires no electrical system for operation, enhancing its compatibility across a wide range of vehicles. Built for durability, the mechanical movements ensure precise readings even in the harshest environments, giving you peace of mind on every drive. The comprehensive gauge kit includes a 1/2-inch NPT adapter, bulb and socket assembly, red and green bulb covers, mounting hardware, and detailed installation instructions. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or just want to keep a close eye on your vehicle's performance, the Odometer 3351 is an essential tool for any serious driver. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.